Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's Your Name here, and today, we're about to embark on a journey of epic proportions. We're talking about travel essentials, the gear, the hacks, the stuff that transforms a good trip into an unforgettable one. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or planning your first big adventure, this is the video for you. So buckle up, smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell because things are about to get seriously wanderlust-worthy. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute non-negotiables, the things you cannot leave home without. These are the essentials that will make or break your trip. I'm talking about the holy grail of travel, your passport, visas, travel insurance, you know the drill. Without these, you're not going anywhere. And here's the thing, don't just shove these documents in your backpack and hope for the best. A little organization goes a long way. Get yourself a good quality, waterproof document organizer. This will protect your documents from unexpected spills or bad weather. Keep it on you at all times, whether it's tucked securely in your front pocket, in a money belt, or even in a hidden pouch under your shirt. The key is accessibility and security. The point is, these documents are your lifeline on the road, so keep them close, keep them safe, and for the love of all that is good in this world, make photocopies. Store those copies separately from the originals. This way, if you lose one set, you have a backup. Trust me, if you ever find yourself in a pinch, you'll be thanking me for this tip. It's a small step that can save you a lot of trouble. It's all about being prepared, people. A little foresight and organization can turn a potential travel disaster into a smooth, enjoyable journey. Okay, let's talk packing because nobody wants to lug around a suitcase the size of a small car. This is where multi-purpose clothing comes in, my friends. Think about it. A plain white t-shirt that can be dressed up with a scarf, layered under a sweater, or even used as a makeshift sleep mask on a long flight. Now we're talking. Look for items that can be mixed and matched, neutral colors that go with everything, and fabrics that are lightweight, wrinkle-resistant, and quick-drying. Remember, packing light is all about strategy, and trust me, there's nothing more satisfying than rocking up to your destination with just a carry-on and a smug look on your face. Alright, let's talk about the holy grail of travel gadgets, noise-canceling headphones. Seriously, these things are like magic, especially when you're crammed into a metal tube hurtling through the air at 30,000 feet. Crying babies? Gone. Chatty seatmates? Silenced. The roar of the engine? Replaced by the sweet, sweet sound of your favorite playlist. But noise-canceling headphones aren't just for flights. They're your secret weapon for noisy hostels, bustling train stations, or even just finding a moment of zen amidst the chaos of a new city. Trust me, your eardrums will thank you. Now let's talk about the backbone of any good travel adventure, the trusty travel backpack. This isn't just about finding a bag that can hold your stuff, it's about finding a companion, a sidekick, a trusty steed that will accompany you on all your adventures. Look for features like adjustable straps, padded compartments for your electronics, and water-resistant material. And don't forget about those secret pockets. Seriously, the more hidden compartments, the better. Remember, this is the backpack that's going to be by your side through thick and thin. So choose wisely, my friends. Okay, let's get real for a second. Traveling can be a dirty business. Whether you're hopping on a plane, exploring a bustling market, or sampling street food, you're bound to encounter some less than ideal hygiene situations. We're talking about questionable airplane bathrooms, crowded markets, and let's not even get started on the street food hygiene standards in some places. It's a germ fest out there, and you need to be prepared. That's why hand sanitizer and wet wipes are non-negotiable. These little items can make a huge difference in keeping you healthy and comfortable during your travels. These are your first line of defense against the germs and grime that are lurking around every corner. A quick squirt of hand sanitizer can kill most germs on your hands, and a wet wipe can clean up any sticky messes. Carry a small bottle of hand sanitizer with you at all times. It's compact, easy to use, and can be a lifesaver when soap and water aren't available. Find a brand that's alcohol-based, quick-drying, and doesn't leave your hands feeling like you just dipped them in a vat of chemicals. And wet wipes? They're incredibly versatile. They're not just for sticky fingers. They can be used to clean surfaces, freshen up your face after a long flight, or even as a makeshift toilet paper in a pinch. You'd be surprised at how many uses you'll find for them. Trust me, when it comes to staying healthy on the road, hand sanitizer and wet wipes are your best friends. They offer peace of mind and a layer of protection that can make your travel experience much more enjoyable. Alright, let's talk about taming the beast that is travel documents. We're talking about boarding passes, hotel confirmations, train tickets, visa applications, the list goes on and on. It's enough to make your head spin, right? That's where a good travel document organizer comes in. Find an organizer that has multiple compartments for different types of documents, clear sleeves so you can easily see what's what, and maybe even a dedicated pocket for your passport. Trust me, when you're frantically searching for your boarding pass at the airport security line, you'll be thanking me for this tip. Let's face it, we live in a world ruled by technology, and that doesn't change just because you're on vacation. When you're navigating a new city, documenting your adventures on social media, or just trying to stay connected with loved ones back home, a dead phone battery can feel like a mini crisis. That's where the humble portable charger comes in, a true travel essential that can save the day and your sanity in countless situations. Look for a charger with a high capacity, measured in milliampere hours, mAh, multiple charging ports so you can power up multiple devices at once, and fast charging capabilities to minimize downtime. Trust me, a good portable charger is worth its weight in gold when you're on the go. Keep your devices juiced up no matter how far off the grid you go. Let's talk about the elusive quest for sleep on the go. Whether you're battling jet lag, cramped airplane seats, or bumpy bus rides, getting some shut-eye while traveling can feel like an impossible dream. But fear not, weary travelers, for there is a solution: the Humble Travel Pillow. Now, I know what you're thinking, those U-shaped neck pillows that make you look like you're about to embark on a dental exam? Yeah, not exactly the most glamorous travel accessory. But trust me, a good travel pillow can make all the difference in the world when it comes to arriving at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Look for a pillow that provides adequate neck support, is made from soft and breathable materials, and packs down small for easy transport. Sweet dreams, travelers. Alright, let's talk about keeping your valuables safe, because unfortunately, not everyone you meet on your travels will have the best intentions. Whether you're exploring bustling city streets, relaxing on a beach, or hiking through remote trails, the risk of theft is always present. Pickpockets, scammers, and opportunistic thieves can lurk in even the most unexpected places, and the last thing you want is to have your trip ruined by a stolen wallet or passport. These incidents can happen in crowded markets, busy public transport, or even in what seems like a safe neighborhood. That's where a money belt or hidden wallet comes in. These items are essential for any traveler who wants to keep their belongings secure and enjoy their trip without constant worry. These discreet and secure accessories are designed to keep your most valuable possessions close to your body and out of sight, making it much harder for would-be thieves to make off with your hard-earned cash and travel documents. They are lightweight, comfortable, and can be worn under your clothes without being noticeable. A money belt is worn under your clothing and typically features multiple compartments for cash, cards, and even your passport. This way you can organize your items efficiently and access them easily when needed. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, so invest in a reliable money belt or hidden wallet and travel with peace of mind. By taking this simple precaution, you can focus on enjoying your adventures and creating unforgettable memories, knowing that your valuables are secure. And finally, let's talk about the secret weapon of organized travelers everywhere: packing cubes. These ingenious little zippered pouches are about to change the way you pack forever. Remember those days of frantically rummaging through your suitcase, trying to find a single sock or that one specific t-shirt? Yeah, those days are over. Packing cubes allow you to compartmentalize your luggage, keeping your clothes, shoes, and accessories neatly organized and easily accessible. No more digging through a bottomless pit of clothes. By compressing your clothes into the cubes, you can actually fit more into your suitcase. Plus, they help to prevent wrinkles and keep your clothes smelling fresh. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. Your suitcase and your sanity will thank you. And there you have it, folks. Your ultimate guide to travel essentials, packed with hacks and gear to make your next adventure the best one yet. Remember, traveling is all about embracing the unknown, stepping outside your comfort zone, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and get ready to explore the world. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring.